Hello, and welcome to Hartman. Today we're assembling the Capri 76cm bistro table. Inside the box you will need to locate the bolt pack. Carefully empty the bolt pack to ensure you have the assembly instructions and the lists of components and fixings. Using this list, please check you have the correct amount of components and fixings and read through the instructions carefully before starting assembly. On this list you will see screw-in feet. These should already be in the table legs. Please allow up to 30 minutes. Although assembly only requires one person, it will always be easier with the help of a friend. Also in the box you should have these components: one tabletop, one center ring, and 4 table legs. Pro tip: place a small lock washer, part K, and a small flat washer, part J, onto each of the small bolts, part I. Firstly, using one of these bolts, attach the center ring to the table legs. Make sure the feet are facing upwards. Do not fully tighten at this stage as you will need the flexibility. On a soft surface, place the tabletop face down and loosely attach the big bolts to the tabletop. Pro tip: when attaching these bolts, ensure the screwdriver thread is face up. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 bolts. Once completed, use a flathead screwdriver to tighten. Be careful not to over-tighten though, as aluminium is a soft metal, and this will cause the thread to become damaged. Then align the base to the tabletop. Now slide the big flat washers, big lock washers and the nut onto the bolt. Repeat for the remaining 3 legs. Now secure all bolts using a 14mm spanner and the Allen key provided. Now place on the nut caps and the PVC covers. And finally, turn the table to the upright position. Hartman. Comfort, design, quality.